Here are 3 things that are good about the new Black+Decker variable speed pool pumps. The first thing that I'm going to say is that it comes with union connections. That's something that I appreciate. When I'm installing a pump, it's a pain if I take it out and realize, oh, there's a special union. It comes separately and I didn't buy it. This not only comes with the unions you need, it actually gives you more than you need because it gives you the option of using either 1.5" or 2" pipe natively. And that's something that I really appreciate. And I think that's something that Black+Decker has gone above and beyond with here. And I think that customers are going to appreciate that. Pool owners are going to appreciate how easy it is to just snap on these unions. It doesn't matter what pipe size you have now because you've got the right stuff in the box when you buy the pump. The next thing that I like that Black+Decker has done here is they've given you an adjustable base. When you buy a pool pump, it's kind of hard to get customers to switch from one manufacturer to another. One of the things that you have to overcome in that is that if you switch brands, the pump is a different shape, it's a different height, a different length, and now you have to change your plumbing system to adapt the new pump in. Black+Decker planned ahead here and they gave you an adjustable platform base. With the platform base in place, it fits a couple of popular models of pump. When you remove the platform base and just sit it right on the ground, now it actually is a direct swap replacement for the most popular class of pumps ever made, the Hayward Super Pump and the Pentair Superflo. So those pumps are direct swap replacements of each other because they're competing for the same market. They want it to be easy for a customer to choose a Pentair Superflo if you already have a Hayward Super Pump. Well, Black+Decker has done the same thing. They provided you a base here so that probably most of the pumps on the market, this is going to be able to adapt directly without having to adjust the plumbing or with only doing the least amount of adjustments to the plumbing system. That was a really great idea from Black+Decker. The third thing, and probably the most important that Black+Decker has done that has really impressed me here with this new variable speed pump or line of variable speed pumps that they've brought to the market. I could tell you a lot about this pump by looking at it, hooking it up to my test lab, running it, testing the flow, the amount of power that it consumes, and I'm going to enjoy testing this pump thoroughly. But what I can't tell you is how long is this thing going to last? And that's what any professional of the industry is going to say to you if you say, hey, I want to buy one of these Black+Decker pumps. Is that a good idea? They're going to say, look, I don't know how long that thing's going to last for you. Pool pumps, I mean, it takes a lot of research and technology to make a pool pump that's going to last. Has Black+Decker brought a hunk of garbage to the market, or have they brought a quality pool pump to the market here? That's what an industry professional is going to be concerned about. Well, I can't tell you with it sitting here on my test bench whether it's going to last or not. I just can't do that. But what I can tell you is that Black+Decker has issued a 5-year warranty for these pumps. That is longer than the warranty period for most of the pool pumps sold in North America. So I can't personally tell you that this thing's going to last, but it would appear as though Black+Decker has a lot of confidence with the quality of this pump, offering such a long warranty period. I easily could have seen them offering 2 years or 3 years, and pool owners probably would have been happy with that. Offering 5 years is kind of like a statement. They've made a statement here that we think this thing's going to last, and that's probably to overcome that hesitation that pool owners might have and pool professionals might have. Is this thing a good pool pump? Is it going to last a long time? Black+Decker is kind of putting their money where their mouth is here and saying, look, 5-year warranty, we think it's going to last. In total, those are the 3 things that I think Black+Decker has really done correctly in bringing their new line of variable speed pool pumps to the market. Time will tell whether these are received well by the public. It seems as though they're very interested in these pumps, but this is the first season that I'm seeing them, and we should see a lot more conversation happening about this new brand coming to market. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.